Hello everyone, welcome to my Banklify review, and in this Banklify review I will discuss all about Banklify, how it works, how you can get affiliate sales on ClickBank, and about my exclusive bonus bundle, the vendor special bonuses, and my special money making way with Banklify, and lots about it. So Banklify is going to launch at 27th September at 10 a.m. EST by Rick. He is very popular for launching very good quality software. And see, so what is the Banklify software? So Banklify is a cloud-based software which creates multiple ClickBank affiliate sites with your links, with your ClickBank links in just seconds, and all you have to do is just provide the software a keyword and your ClickBank affiliate ID, and Banklify takes care of the rest of your work for you. So this is very fantastic software, and Banklify will autofill up your site with traffic getting articles day and night. Here you can set up the articles by keyword. I will show you later how it works. And I have a special and fantastic money making way using Banklify in this video, so keep watching. I will show you an extra money making way using this Banklify software. So at first, if you ask me if Banklify is recommended or not, then my answer is yes, Banklify is must recommended. And if you ask if you can get affiliate sales on ClickBank with this Banklify software or not, then my answer is also yes. But you need to know how to do it effectively, because you will get the Banklify software, its training, how Banklify works. Yes, it's automatic and set and forget way, but during the only setup process you must need to know what you are doing, because when you are about to set up the process for one time, you need to know the things perfectly. So don't worry, I am going to explain how you can utilize this fantastic software in the best way. So the most important part is how to utilize Banklify software to get ClickBank affiliate sales. Okay, so let me ask you, what if you have a fully functional ClickBank affiliate site with your links, your affiliate links in just one click? Yes, Banklify software is here to do with this. And what if this site ranked itself to page 1 on Google overnight for lots of unlimited targeted traffic? Yes, this is possible, because Banklify will generate 100% unique content for you automatically, which will get ranked on Google. You will see later how to do that. So this is very interesting, right? So if this happens, could you finally start making commissions with ClickBank? I hope so, you will. So if you answered yes, then you are going to love this Banklify software and its training. So I like to know about the benefits of Banklify, what you can get from Banklify software, before showing how it works, how you can make tons of sales, affiliate sales with ClickBank, and my extra money making way. So this is built in set and forget ClickBank sites with automated content, and you don't need to write content by yourself, and no need to hire freelancer. You just enter a keyword and you will get automated content in seconds. See, in Fiverr, under the SEO article, you will see he will publish article in, I will do SEO article writing and website content. He is charging $10, $15 SEO article. This is $400 nearly SEO optimized articles. So there are lots of gigs here charging $30, $15, $10 for SEO optimized articles. But with Banklify you will get unlimited SEO optimized articles for free. So you need this actually, and just by entering a keyword you will get automated content in seconds. And you have multiple monetization methods, like you can get money from ClickBank, you can make money with AdSense, banner ads, inline keywords, lots of this. And you have article spinner included to generate unique content. Here you will see that. And this is fully cloud based app. See, there is nothing to download or install, and there is no hidden fees or extra tools need, and this is free commercial license included. And you will get also VIP bonus for like lifetime hosting, lifetime drive. You can save all your necessary files here, and you have lifetime autoresponder and lifetime website builder. So let's go to the demos section. This is the member area of Banklify. You need to log in into Banklify members area after purchasing. So this is the member area, member dashboard. Here you will see this option, manage websites. Under manage website there are website lists, manage categories, manage pages, then manage campaign, manage articles. So these are the option. So first you need to do create website, right? So but you need to do it right way. Okay, so see, the first is website lists. Here see the pre-made websites, demo testing websites, and here you can add your website by clicking this. Just suppose in ClickBank there are lots of categories like business investing, computer, internet, e-business, e-marketing, and here the health, fitness. So you need to choose these categories, and your website name should be according to this. Like if you choose like health and fitness, then your website name should be weight loss tips.banklify.org. There are lots of options to do this. And if your niche is sports, so you can select your website address by sports news. You need to make it unique for URL. Okay, sports news, or it can be tech news, anything. You can create your website with anything, technews24.com. So you can create websites depending on the different categories here. So then you can choose your template. There are 5 templates here. You can choose one, then you can choose the logo, then your contact email, then news API key, and your ClickBank ID. This is your ClickBank username. You need to provide your ClickBank ID as under the all content creation. Your affiliate link will be inside your articles, and the banner ads, and lots of monetization methods, as you can get affiliate sales on your ClickBank account. So you need to give your ClickBank ID. This is very important, and be careful when you giving your ClickBank ID. Make sure it is correct, don't wrong it. Okay, then you can select your Facebook profile URL under the footer of your website. You can use Instagram profile URL, Twitter URL. There are lots of options, and you can save website. Your website will be generated. Then your task is manage categories. Here are lots of categories, like you can create category under crypto news, exercise, diet, weight loss, sleep, money, tech accessories, tech news, money. So you just need to add category. Under the category name you can money, you can your category name money, you can use sports news, or you can name your category like weight loss and diet. First you need to select your website what you have created, and you can create multiple websites, and you need to create category. So this is a money category. I am just showing you as an example, money. So then you need to manage pages. You can create your manage pages like privacy policy, contact us, about us, disclaimer, affiliate disclaimer, terms and service. You just need to add page and you can create your page yourselves. Manage settings and manage campaign. This is very important. Manage campaign. See, these are the campaigns, previously created campaign. So you need to create campaign yourself. First you need to select your created websites or your preferred websites. Then you need to choose category. Like I have just created money. You can choose any category like money. It can be weight loss, health and weight loss. See, this is health and fitness, diet and weight loss category. So there can be different category, tech news, sports news. Then there are different type of content source type. See, the first your own content source. This is the RSS feed URL. That means if you give the URL of any website's RSS feed, they will fetch up the contents for you. Then this is the done for you content sources, different categories. And this is news content, and this is content source 1. So under the content source 1, you can, as my category is money, so make money online, and this is the make money online. So see the category and see, this is exactly like ClickBank categories here, right? So you need to select e-business and e-marketing category, make money online. So this will generate 100% unique fresh content for yourselves day and night, 24/7. Your site will be uploaded with this type of article under the make money online keyword and e-business and e-marketing category, and your site will be autofill with this by this software, and this will be get ranked and you will get traffic, and all the articles, your affiliate link will be inside, so you will get sales and make money on ClickBank. This is very fascinating. Just you need to submit, and you can also select keyword weight loss if you prefer weight loss. In this case you need to create a category of weight loss, and in this category you need to select health and fitness product. So health and fitness and diet and weight loss. So under this category your site will be generate lots of 100% unique and fresh content by this software, and your content will be get ranked, and you don't need to do anything. Your software will do while you sleep, while you away from your computer. So just put your keyword and category, your site will be filled with this type of articles and lots of articles. And I recommend you to do sports news or tech news. Under tech news you can select computer internet niche and software service niche under tech news, and for sports news you can just select the sports category. So when you publish sports news article, like if you select here sports news and select the full sports category, so your site will generate tons of news article related to sports, this type of viral type of news and articles. So you should create a Facebook page, a Twitter profile, a Pinterest, a Instagram, and all over the social media. you know about, so you can build up those social media, cause you are getting lots of free unique content from here, and all the article will be related to sports news. So this is very favorable by mass people. So you need to grow your Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest account, so you can get traffic all over the media. This is called content syndication. This is very important. I must recommend you to do so. News, so you can do this, you can make money online, sports news, tech news, weight loss, but I recommend to sports news, tech news. This is very awesome, cause under the sports news you can get 1 lakh 2 lakh visitors per day, and you can also make money with advertisements. I will show you. So this is all about campaigns. Then manage article section, I will show you this later, how you can make money on Fiverr using this Banklify software. Then ad manager, in the ad manager there are lots of advertisement option. You just need to click add advertisement. First select your preferred website, then there are lots of position, header, banner, then you can select advertisement script code or advertisement banner. If you select banner, you need to browse your banner image and target link. So there are lots of options to make money with this. Other than ClickBank affiliates also, you can make money also with advertisement. And there are training module where you can know how to add a website, how to add campaign, how to add categories, how to use inline keywords to monetize your website, and how to add advertisements. There are training, so you will not face any problem. And there are bonus, like these are the vendor special bonus you will get. These are very cool and awesome bonus. Client extractor is a task manager, portfolio showcase tool, image grab, viral suite, action stimulator, FB audience builder, instant publisher, pin book, socio tracker, traffic hover, FB traffic engine. Lots of bonuses you will get, lots of exclusive bonus, and my special exclusive bonus over $33,000 you will get automatically. I have put the link in my description below. If you purchase through this link, you will get these bonuses automatically. YouTube Velocity the software, this is MIP software, this is Sheena software, Genovia software, Cleopatra software, Golden Stash, TweetX. Then forget about Broke, Nova, this comes with autos also. This is fantastic software. Lazy Traffic Sniper, List Lariat, Aerial Assassin, Midas Task, Traffic Underdog, Six Figure Secrets, Traffic Booster, Affiliate Takeoff, the Super Shakedown. There are lots of bonuses worth over $33,000. When you purchase, you will get these bonuses. So this is all about Banklify. So you need to do this like this way, and I have told you earlier that you can make money. I have the special and fantastic money making way using Banklify. So this is actually, I have told you earlier that these are the pricing the freelancer charge for writing SEO optimized articles: $10, $25, $30, $50, $35, lots of. So you can make money on Fiverr using this Banklify software. With the help of Banklify software, you can make money on Fiverr as a freelancer. See how? See the charges. They will write SEO optimized article, and you know Banklify will produce SEO optimized articles for you free and unlimited time. So you can offer your services here, and you can publish a gig on how giving SEO related articles, and you can do it here like manage articles. Suppose you have a website under your niche where you can post SEO optimized articles and offer the services to various clients. See, the every articles have this article version, and just you need to create an edit button and you will get the article copy. See, this is the article copy and this is SEO optimized. You can deliver to your clients. So you also can act as a freelancer on Fiverr. So you can make money on Fiverr using this Banklify software. With the help of Banklify software, you can easily offer your services and complete your task without writing yourselves, cause Banklify will produce you the articles. This is very fantastic way, cause with the help of Banklify you can make money as a freelancer on Fiverr. See, there are lots of article, and when you have your own websites, your own niche, select your own niche under the according to your Fiverr account or your service, and then you will get lots of these types of SEO optimized articles. So you can offer on Fiverr and you can make money as a freelancer using this Banklify software. So this is all about Banklify software, its work, and you will get the results. So you will get high quality SEO optimized content, so you can start enjoying fast paced ranking on Google, and your site will be fast quality visitors flowing as soon as today. Yes, you can get traffic as soon as today, and you can also fill up your affiliate account with lots of affiliate sales and commissions. So, and you don't have to mess around with tedious technical skills like emails, funnels, autoresponders, chatbots, and many other headaches. All you have to do is just activate this Banklify software and you are good to go. And this is 100% autopilot, and you can receive ClickBank commissions while you sleep. So why you need Banklify actually? Because affiliate sites created by Banklify are just like a Tesla. They can run on autopilot. There are no headaches involved with this done for you ClickBank affiliate sites. Just set it up. Once you just set it up and forget about it, and you are getting everything you need to do here. Just set it up, and if you don't have traffic, don't domain name, don't know SEO knowledge, don't website, and if you don't have experience, you have been covered, because you are getting the solution here. And this is for everyone. There is no need to experience, because this is very newbie friendly, and this software actually do the 100% of the work, so anyone can use this. So realistically you cannot fail with Banklify. So my final opinion is this is very recommended. This is the sure success way to road to online success, and simply activate this software, Banklify software, and which is free traffic quickly rolls in and you will get affiliate sales. So once you have done it, I have no problem seeing results, and this is by far the fastest way to have your breakthrough. So if you want to stop trying to figure out everything on your own, then go ahead and pick up the copy of Banklify, and when you try to purchase Banklify, just go to this cursor button, you will get $3 discount on front end. So this is all about. I have put the link on my description, and if you purchase through my link, you will get this exclusive bonuses over $30,000 and also the vendor special bonuses. So if you feel like you have get helped on this video, please like the video and subscribe my channel. I hope if you are getting help to make this video will help you to make your purchase decision. So this is for today. See you soon.